So for the next 10 minutes I've been here with you, my business will generate 26 pounds, which might seem like nothing, but over 1 hour, it's 156 pounds. And during one day, my business will generate 3,744 pounds. And this is exactly what I'd like to share with you today. Would you like to know what is the number one secret which will allow you to make money while you are not actively involved with your business?
Yes!
That's the energy I'm talking about. I'm in the right room, I knew it. Because Dave built up the energy in here, I knew the energy is in here with you. Business is a team sport. The only way why you are not making money while you are in here today is because you are doing everything or most of the things yourself. I've been in the same shoes. I've been doing the coaching myself for 2.5 years before I had Lewis. I'm not saying it's gonna happen from day one. Let's think about the speaking business, for example. It's hours and hours creating content, social media, prospecting, sending proposals, and most importantly, speaking. And if you do everything on your own, it's very lonely. You cannot scale it when you are alone. So the secret what I want to share with you, it's simple. You need to become more valuable. How many of you feel like increasing the prices would be a big step for you? And how many of you believe that you are great what you do? Even if you are a speaker, training, performer, I don't know what is it you do. How many of you feel like you are amazing? I like that. Everybody. And how many of you feel like you can charge minimum 30% more for the speaking is for the training that you are getting right now? Our heads are stuck, our minds. If you change your story, what you are telling yourself, you can change your life. And this is all what it is. We can all become more valuable. And you are doing it. You are in here. You could decide to spend the night somewhere else, but no, you have come to a group of professional speakers to learn from each other, to network, because you want to become more valuable for your client. Is that right?
Yes.
And when it comes to this paying yourself, very often we are undervaluing ourselves. Because the thing is, if some of you believe that you can get 30% more on your money than you are getting right now, it means more money is coming to your business and you can hire more people. Is that right? Do you think if having more people which allows you to make money while you are in here today? Yeah, absolutely. And I don't have only Lewis at the moment. We have multiple people. We have someone just doing a calls right now because he's working only in the evenings, booking calls for Lewis so he can close them tomorrow or the day after. And the only reason I could do that I could become more valuable like you are getting right now and increasing my prices when it comes to speaking business. How many of you believe that knowledge is power? I believe that knowledge is only potential power. Because you can read all the books you want. You can go through all the trainings you want. You can be in here every single month. But if you're gonna do nothing about it, nothing will ever change. Who would agree on that? Have you heard that saying that you can have the best product, but if you live somewhere in the coaching the forest, nobody will buy your best product. Maybe you are the best speaker. I know best magicians who told me they are the best, but if nobody would know about them, how would they ever report that? So knowledge is only potential power. What tricks the knowledge every single day is execution, it's action. How many of you are feeling sometimes they are struggling to take action towards your business? And again, it's in here. I practice and practice, and today I practice again. I'm taking small actions every single day, every single month, which moves me towards the bigger goal that I want to achieve. So I have a question for you. What is one action you are willing to take today, not tomorrow, today, after this event ends, which will move you closer to your goals? Don't look at me, you need to write it down. Because if you just remember in your head, you'll forget about it. Because the next speaker will come and he'll tell you another 10 things what you need to know, and you'll think your head is great, fine, and competent, but I'll tell you a secret, it is not. Pen and paper, it's for that. We need to write things down. I'm hosting an event which is called Action Taker Summit. So it's about business, action, mindset. It's a 2 days live event in here in Birmingham. I would like to point out two things. There's 10 different speakers, 7 of them actually professional PSA members. All the speakers, they speak about business, mindset, and anything which can help you with your development of your business. We want to help you to become better business owners.